Welcome to this morning meditation for a balanced and purposeful day. I'm your guide, Sophie. If you're ready to rise, begin by finding a comfortable seated position with your feet on the ground. Connect to the earth, connect to your surroundings, starting to wake your senses up. Observe the room around you. Listen to the sounds near and far. Connect to the feeling of your hands on your lap, feet on the ground. And you may close your eyes now if you wish. With your feet flat on the floor, feeling the connection to the earth, gently sway your body from side to side, feeling the movement in your body. And as you sway, maybe shake your arms and hands gently to release any tension and wake them up. Thank yourself for making the time to wake up and connect to your body and to this new day. Now on your next inhale, stretch your arms high above your head, reaching for the sky. On an exhale, bring your hands down into prayer position at your heart space. Inhale and reach up again, feeling the stretch and energy in your body. Exhale, bring your hands back to your heart. Do it one more time, then rest your hands on your lap. And on your next inhale, feel the energy of the earth flowing into your body. And as you exhale, share this energy with all parts of your body from head to toe. Feel yourself becoming more balanced, grounded, and energized with each breath. Now bring your attention to how you want to see the end of your day. How do you want to define your day once you get there? Give it a quality. Calm, joyful, productive, healthy. Feel deeply grateful ahead of this day. Now let your mind and heart show you powerful insights into your day. How will you respond to stressful events? How will you have your own back even when it gets challenging? How will you look after your health despite all your responsibilities? Breathe deeply. Let those positive ideas and images swirl in your mind and your heart. Let them come and go. Feel your body becoming energized, ready for this day. And what will make this day balanced and purposeful? Think about one non-negotiable priority for today. This could be a task or an emotion. What is that priority? Make a powerful commitment to yourself. Rubbing your hands gently together now to create some heat and energy. Placing the palms of your hands on your heart and a smile on your lips. Thank yourself for making the time to prepare for a beautiful, purposeful, and balanced day. Take one more deep breath now, the deepest breath that you've taken so far, and release it all with a sigh. You've got this, my friend. Now when you're ready, open your eyes and enjoy your day. I look forward to welcoming you here in this meditation again soon.